Hi, hello, I'm Satyabrata Sur. I'm an IT professional. Currently, I'm a project manager. I started my career 22 years ago, and I must say that in this year, what I have learned is to learn each and every year, month, day. And along with again, I have enriched myself with some excellent technical knowledge. As a student, I was not keen much on this journey, but later when I realized and when I found again, it was very helpful for me. And in the recent years, I had undergone training from a very well-known expert in this field in cloud architecture. So I would recommend eGain for your technical endeavor.